Yes, good afternoon, children. How are you all? Fine, no? So let us begin with the class. Which class are क्या कर रहे लास्ट अभी पूरा बात नहीं 13 बजे के बाद मैं दे दूंगा जाने से पहले मैं दे दूंगा ना आपसे जब तक जोड़ लो ना कितने लोग हैं यस चिल्ड्रन Now, as you know that we are going to have periodic test in this month, so you all know the names of the chapters which will be covered for your this PT test. So today we are doing revision. We will revise the chapters by way of question and answer. By way of question and answer. So MCQ test will not be held now. Now periodic test will be held. MCQ test will not be held. Okay. Write down the names of chapters for online test. चैप्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं वो बोलो बेटा राइट डाउन द नेम्स ऑफ द चैप्टर्स दे आर चैप्टर नंबर 10, 11, 12 and 13 syllabus for online test chapter number 10 yes very good 10 11 and 12 very good what is the name of chapter 10 motion and measurement of distances motion and measurement of distances motion and measurement of distances chapter number 11 what is the name of that chapter light shadows and reflections light shadows and reflections light shadows and reflections 12 electricity and circuits electricity and circuits 13 convex magnets okay children so let us practice questions from these chapters we will begin with chapter number 10 motion and measurement of distances okay children so have you noted the syllabus okay you all know you are loving this Okay. Now, types of motion. Types of motion you have to see and their examples. Types of motion to see and you have to learn the examples. Straight line motion, it is also known as rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Then second is periodic motion. These are the three main types of motion that we have studied in this chapter. Okay, ये तीन टाइप के जो है हमने पढ़े हैं. Let us see their examples also. Periodic motion. Rectilinear motion, circular motion and periodic motion. Rectilinear motion is such a motion when a body moves along a straight path. When a body moves along a straight path, this type of motion is called rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. For example, car moving on a road. Then motion of light. Light also travels in a straight path. We have studied in the chapter. Okay. Light also travels in a straight path. Circular motion. Circular motion. In this type of motion, a body moves along a circular path. Body moves along a circular path. Body moves along a circular path. For example, motion of hands of a clock. Then motion of planets around the sun. Then you can suggest more examples. Yes, blades of a fan. Very good. Blades of a fan and very good. Well, then periodic motion. Such a motion in which a body repeats its motion at regular interval of time. Okay, this type of motion is called periodic motion. For example, child on a swing. child on a swing, motion of simple pendulum, simple pendulum, simple pendulum, motion of planets around the sun, etc. All these are periodic motion. Okay. Motion of hands of a clock are also periodic. Note down. Just note down. Yeah, motion of needle of a sewing machine is also very good. Hurry up, please note down. All of you. Children, note down. Note करो जल्दी. नोट करो बेटा जल्दी. Noted? All of you, shall I rub the board now? Shall I rub the board now? Okay, I'm rubbing now. ठीक है. Now standard units. Children, we need standard units because we need standard units because in previous older days, what people used to do, they used to have some rough idea about the measurement. What is measurement? Let us say measurement means comparison. Measurement means comparison of a known quantity of an unknown quantity of unknown quantity with a known quantity, the known quantity with a known quantity. This known quantity is called standard. Known quantity, this known quantity is called standard. Is called what? Standard. For example, suppose we want to buy potato, 1 kg potato. So what the shopkeeper does, he keeps, suppose this is a balance. This is a balance, and this is one pan of the balance, and this is the other pan of the balance. As in pan of the balance का, ठीक है? So in one pan, he will keep potatoes. These are the potatoes, and we want to measure, we want to weigh 1 kg potato. So what we will do, this shopkeeper keeps this one like this, hexagonal. This is here, it will reflect as 1 kg. Have you seen this? So he will keep on adding potatoes until these two pans are balanced. They are at the same height from the ground. Understand? So this is how measurement happens. Okay? This is how measurement takes place. Okay. For example, when we go to buy 1 kg potato, the shopkeeper keeps potatoes in one of the pans, and in the other pan, he keeps 1 kg weight. Usually an iron hexagonal bar. देखा होगा आपने, तो हिंदी में बाण बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना? So this is how it is done. Write down what is measurement. Very good. Similarly, children, done? Shall I have the board? Similarly, suppose we want to measure the length of a piece of wood. Suppose we want to measure the length of a piece of wood, we will use scale or measuring tape. Okay, so we will put like this. These are called standard units, which are used to compare the unknown quantity. Unknown quantity. Okay. So length, physical quantity, and standard unit. I am writing. You please note down. Physical quantity and its SI unit, standard unit. Physical quantity and SI unit. Its SI unit. Physical quantity, suppose length है, it's meter, SI unit is meter. मास है, अगर मास को भी देखा किलोग्राम, किलोग्राम, मीटर को मीटर से, किलोग्राम को केजी से. टाइम, टाइम की ऐसा यूनिट है सेकंड. क्या है ऐसा यूनिट? सेकंड. ओके, ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन. ओके, चलो अब कन्वर्जन. Now one question comes: can we use a pace or a footstep to measure the length of any object? Suppose I am using my handspan this to measure the length of the board. Okay, suppose this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 and a half. If I am measuring with the help of my handspan, it is 10 and a half. Now if child like you measure, then your handspan will be smaller. So the number of handspans which will be required to measure the blackboard will be more. So we cannot use pace or a footstep or a handspan as a standard because it varies from person to person. Note this question is asked frequently. We cannot use footstep or handspan to measure length because footstep and handspan can be smaller or bigger. Okay. In other words, the length of handspan or footstep handspan or footstep is not fixed. Okay. So it will give different results. It will give different results depending upon the person's length of handspan or footstep. Length of handspan और footstep. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? किसी का हैंड स्पैन बड़ा होगा, किसी का हैंड स्पैन छोटा होगा. Somebody might be taking larger footsteps, somebody might be taking smaller footsteps. That is why it is not a standard. Note down. Note down, children. ठीक, अब कन्वर्जन पूछे जाते हैं. I'm going to rub the board now. Can I? बोर्ड को रब कर दूं? Conversion of units. Distance. We will take first of all distance or length. Distance or length. Okay. So standard unit, SI unit is meter. Meter. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. This is one. Okay. You know. And kilometer is larger unit. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay? This is how you can convert. Let me tell you once again. SI unit of distance or length is meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Kilometer is a larger unit. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 1 upon 1000 kilometer. ठीक है? Any problem? Now, will you do some conversions? Okay, I'm rubbing the board and then I'm giving some questions. Convert the following. First, 24 किलोमीटर into meter convert करना है. Okay, convert 24 kilometer into meter. Then second one, second 100 millimeter into centimeter and 1000 millimeter into centimeter. Now, very good. This who is this? Sharad Agrawal. You have to write proper unit. 24,000 what? Meter, kilometer, centimeter. You have to write proper unit. No, proper unit लिखना है उसकी बेटा. Write down its proper unit. So we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 24 kilometer is equal to 24 into 1000 meter. That means 24,000 meter. ये ऐसे लिखना है, मीटर लिखना है बेटा, ठीक है. 24,000 मीटर. पृथ्वी कुमार, नॉट 24 मीटर, 24,000 meter. Now, second, 1 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. है ना? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1000 millimeter is equal to 1000 upon 10 is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. It is 100. Here, beta, 100 centimeter. Any problem? Please note down. Note down, children. Note down. Note, I am giving you 2 minutes time to note. Please note. So noted, children? Noted, everyone? Any problem, children? Any problem? Thank you and have a nice day. I am now ending, sister. Thank you.